Word to the wise, for anyone in any humid climate, you definitely want to take your lens out before you go shooting and make sure it acclimates to the current humidity level that you're trying to shoot in. We are in Treetops Park in Davie, Florida. And this is like right down the street from our house. This is really convenient. I don't think there's a cost to get in here. I don't think they charge you anything, which is pretty awesome. But today, we are gonna go shoot birds. With cameras. Shooting birds with cameras. Now, I'm not sure what the deal is exactly. This is like the lookout tower right here behind me, this thing right here. There's a sign on the entranceway that it's like closed down. And I'm not sure if it's like closed down for COVID or whatever, but we're both kind of bummed because we actually wanted to go up there and check it out, but we're not gonna be that daring to like hop over a blatant sign that says no trespassing. That'll be our luck. We like climb up to a tower and then somehow manage to get kicked out of a free park. Kate is on a mission right now for some birds. Birds are fast and it's tricky. She's trying really hard though. So there's these small little red berries in this tree right up there. Can't really see them, but I wonder what those are. I don't even know. Probably not a good idea to eat any of them, definitely. But there's not many. So that's telling me that probably the animals in here are probably eating those berries. I should research that and find out what those berries are. Bug spray is probably a good idea. Kate has very sweet blood, so the insects definitely smell her for miles. Me, I'm kind of sour blood. Sweet on the outside, sour on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Very lush in here though, right Kate?
So lush, I love it.
Like, I just love the way the moss has like a whole nother layer of the trees.
That's my favorite.
I know. You know, you're a vegan hippie when you're just staring at moss, like dude, that's awesome.
It's so pretty and it doesn't grow like that everywhere, which is why it's like awesome.
Okay, this is really scary.
Oh my God.
Now, we don't want to make people nervous, but we found dead bodies, body parts everywhere. Come look. If someone finds this in a few years, just know that we found it first. Look at. There are legs, heads hanging on fences. Something very eerie is happening in these woods. I'm afraid we can't escape. Obviously, we're totally fine. There's apparently like a haunted trail something in Treetops Park during Halloween that we're definitely gonna come check out. Maybe we'll do a small video on that too. But it's really cool. I'm getting yelled at by Kate for being too loud. I'm sorry. You hear the way she talks to me, folks. Unbelievable. Okay, shh. We're birding. We're trying to bird.
This is creepy.
Yeah, we're getting bit.
I'm getting bit like so bad.
That is a very creepy teddy bear just sitting in like the seat of a school bus. I bet it's actually really cool to come through here. We should have brought some bug spray because, dude, it's for real right now. Getting shot on. It wasn't as bad for the first few minutes, but yeah, it's starting to get a little rough. So next time you come to Treetops Park, maybe, I don't know, maybe bug spray. Who's watched Naked and Afraid? You're watching them getting eaten by bugs all night long. I could definitely do that, except for the whole getting eaten by bugs thing. That's basically where our heads are right now. So many bugs. Lots of bugs. bicycle right here. Wow.
We went birding and it turned into a trail of terror.
That doesn't feel like a prop. Right? That doesn't look like a prop. That's not like a dilapidated bike. That's like a fresh bike with a helmet on it. Should we be actually calling the police right now? I'm not really sure. Huh. All right. Carry on, Kate. Did we see something and not say something? I think that just happened. Maybe she just left her bike in here. Who knows? Okay. Apparently someone misplaced their dolly. And, by the way, alligators, be careful, because those gators, those Florida gators, are gonna get you. And now we're coming out onto a bit of marsh, open wetland. Let's see if Kate sees some birds. We'll get the action right here.
I just got an Everglades boat captain necklace. Thank you.
See, now you're definitely in the video. What's your name?
Al.
Al.
Yeah, God
I'm
bless.
Fred, that's Kate.
God bless,
Thank you
Kate.
so much, Kate.
Have a
We're gonna
wonderful-
Awesome,
see you out
man.
here
Yeah, we'll
again.
see you out here. Get that camera back
Have a
together.
wonderful time.
Absolutely,
Thank you
man.
so much. Take
Thanks,
care.
Al. Bye, guys. Shut up. That's awesome. How cool
People
is
are
that?
so nice down here. There's turtles everywhere, and I just got a necklace.
It's Al, the boat captain.
Al, boat captain.
Boat captain now.
I feel so fancy now. Watch now, the bugs are really gonna come get me.
Yeah, for real. Now, I'm sure he obviously understands that as soon as he walks away, maybe people will take this off.
That was so nice.
Yeah, that's super sweet. We got it on video. Thanks, Al. You're the best. Maybe you'll watch that.
Right there for the next person.
Yeah. That was a pretty necklace. But now let's see if we can get some turtles, man. You can see the little guy right there. That little guy popping out of the water. This actually turned into like a whole video now. Now I'm pretty stoked about it. I'm pretty happy I brought my camera. And it's hot. Woo! All right, we are out of the sun and now back to the trail of death. Oh, Kate's still on the dock here, getting some more photos or trying to get more photos. There she is over there. Being that we're rookie birders, I don't think coming at like 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in the morning is really the best time to come because I feel like it's too hot and a lot of the birds are kind of like low activity. But maybe at, sunset, sunrise sort of a thing is probably a better time to come. Wild coyote pack currently living in the... What? Did we know that?
Currently living here?
There's a wild coyote pack in these woods right now? We've just been walking around nilly-willy, willy-nilly, nilly-willy, willy-nilly. And there's like people with like dogs, little tiny pet dogs that definitely coyotes will get.
Wild coyote pack doesn't want anything to do with you, though.
Huh. But that's just like a weird thing to read when you come out. This is where we parked last time, so maybe we should go this, maybe this trail right here cuts it off. What do you think? What do you guys think? Should we go left, should we go right? Maybe we should go right. Down here, there's another birder lady up there, I think. She's taking pictures into the trees, which makes you imagine that maybe she's a birder also. Just like bird nerd Kate over here. Where'd she go? There she is over there. Okay, shh, back to birding. They normally don't bite me a lot, but today, man, I got.
It's
I
like
got-
the little
I got
teeny
hit
ones
today.
are getting
Oh, there
me a
might
lot.
be no seams, yeah.
Yes,
There might be
no
no
seams.
seams. Yeah.
They were
That's
just
what
talking
they
about
are.
that.
Yeah.
That they do. Barb, it was
Thanks,
so nice
Barb.
to meet
Nice
you.
meeting you.
Take care.
That was Barb. She is a fellow birder, just like Kate.
Yeah.
Kate's a birder.
I'm not a birder.
I don't know, man.
Just yet.
She thought you were. She seems like a very, very nice lady. Barb the birder. And she knew some stuff. She saw a bird and was like, nailed it. Brown thrasher, I think she said. Yeah.
Nuthatcher.
Apparently we were getting bit by no-see-ums. He's the I tell you what.
Because I was actually, and the hairdresser who was working at the same time was saying they went camping and they got destroyed by no-see-ums. And I was like, what is that? And they're like, oh my God, they're smaller than mosquitoes down here in Florida and they're miserable. And I'm pretty sure I've just gotten bit like probably 80 times.
That was a video. We just made a video, I guess. Treetops Park down here in Davie, Florida. It's right near Cooper City. Maybe I'll do one of those cool map overlays right now to show you where it is. There it is right there. So that was our birding adventure. We met Al, his wife, and Barb. Met some people.
People down here are friendly.
Yeah, everyone down here is super friendly. But this is a lie. That viewing tower right here, that thing's not open. So if you're coming down here to go to that viewing tower, just know that that's not
Won't
open.
be viewing anything.
Nope, no viewing towers here. All right, hey, thanks for watching. That was it. Let's be better. Florida life vlog, treetops out here, taking pictures of birds and meeting Barb and Boat Captain Al. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Any last words, Kate?
May the birds be with you.
Jesus Christ.
And also with you.
All right, bye.